Hello, welcome to CRM Messaging. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and start sending SMS, WhatsApp, and do calls and even do email marketing. Click on Get Started on crmmessaging.cloud. Here you can sign up with two ways. One is the email and password, another is Google. I've already signed up. I will click on Sign in. I will sign in with my account credentials. Once you are signed in, you can go to for purchasing a number, you have to go to account setting, go to phone number, click on purchase new number. Here you can purchase new numbers, click on choose number and select your destination country. If you don't find your destination country in this list, reach out to our support at care@crm-messaging.cloud. You select your number, click on purchase this number. It will take you to your payment page where you pay for the number and the number will be added to your account back. You can find the added number in account setting in the phone number section, like you have many numbers added over here. Once the number is added, now you are good for making calls, sending messages, and even integrating your WhatsApp. You'll find your from number in this list. You can type your number to whom you want to send message. For example, I'll send a hello message. Hello from CRM. Here you find multiple options at the bottom. These options relate to SMS, WhatsApp, and the capabilities. You can schedule your messages or you can directly send. So once you send your message, it will take you to the inbox where you can see all message at one place. You can see the message is delivered to the user and a lot more. So I'm going to explore the other things in the upcoming video. Have a good day.